Hello and welcome back to Jay's Mix. Today I'm going to be building Rontu the Master Dragon. This set has 3 bags, 1 sticker sheet, 1 instruction manual, and 2 oversized pink wing pieces that I love. Bag 1 features Wildfire and Zarked. 2 has no characters, unfortunately, but some pretty nice pieces actually. And bag 3 contains the best characters of the set, Lloyd and Sora. Apparently this thing contains some secret message. I'm thinking a mix between Ninja Dragon Power Eyes and a dragon, or maybe Bionicle? Not sure what that is. I'll look it up later. Let's get started.
Bag 1 featuring Wildfire and Zarked. Honestly not new characters for me considering I got both of them in the Temple Bounty. Speaking of Temple Bounty, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos, including the upcoming Temple Bounty speed build. Bag 2, which features those really nice pink pieces for Rontu's tail.
They would become ninja. Don't test me.
Bag 3, featuring the best characters of the set, totally new. We have Lloyd, who I'm going to give my custom drawn-on Lego sword, and Sora. I'll link that short down in the description.
Don't test me.
Fun fact, if you look at Rontu's face straight on, it looks like she's smiling. A little weird.